Alright, this is a 1988 Ford F-150 custom half-ton pickup, composite track, 5-speed. Motor is completely redone. 65,000 miles on this vehicle. Brake system's all new. Tires getting ready to paint. Perfect shape.
How's it looking?
This is my son's truck. He's going to be painting it pretty soon, but it's in perfect shape. Interior is great. Motor's great. Fuel injected, 306. One of the best motors Ford ever made. Take her for a little ride, Joe. Go ahead. It's almost ready for the road. Get the insurance registration, and he needs a driver's license. Minor detail. Take it out for a little ride. He's not ready for the street yet, but pretty soon. The truck is, but the boy's not. Hey, boy! It's a beautiful little truck. I've had it in the family since it was new. Just hadn't been driven for a while. About 4 years. So I had to replace everything. I don't know what the heck that kid's doing. Everything works on this vehicle. It's like new. Alright, park that truck.
Alright.
Totally new brake system, master cylinder, rear cylinders, rotors, pads, springs. All the brake lines were blown out. New master cylinder put in. Muffler, everything's new. Belts, alternator, water pump, thermostat, wiring, everything. 1988 Ford F-150 custom Bronco Buster.